Cultural control of late blight is necessary. We have excellent fungicides which can help manage late blight, but without the application of a number of cultural methods, those fungicides on their own cannot manage a disease that's as potentially devastating as late blight. So those cultural methods include use of that blight cast tool to time initial fungicide applications specific to late blight. We do have some commercial varieties that have late blight resistance, but they're not, they haven't gained wide adoption through commercial industry at this point in time, but those can be a component of the cultural management program. And we do have some organic producers that utilize those sources of resistance, as they have fewer options, chemical options, once the disease does become, does onset in their fields. Other cultural methods include regulatory components, such as limiting the time at which coal piles can be persist in the state. May 20th is such a date here in Wisconsin. It's a time at which we cannot have any cold potatoes out and sporulating, as they do serve as a significant source of inoculum. We recommend that growers control their nightshade weeds, both in potato fields and tomato fields and around them. We recognize nightshade weeds as a potential source of initial infection, as it's not a managed susceptible host, particularly outside the field. But also, nightshade weeds can develop berries, which become infected, can host sporulation, and can be present when that potato crop has senesced late into August and into September prior to harvest. And it's that phase of the disease which can be hardest to manage. When you have no foliage left in the field, and you have potato tubers that remain susceptible under the ground, you want to limit as much inoculum as you can that can cause that tuber infection directly.